Hi, welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you so much for joining me. This is Mrs. M, and please make sure you subscribe to the channel below if you haven't, and that way you'll receive all the latest juicy information on the cleaning industry business. I'm going to dive right in and get into what is the number one reason why you're in your current situation. If you're looking at this channel and you're ready to make some changes, guess what? This is around the middle of 2020. So time is a ticking. But if you've never noticed, the number one reason why people are in the situation they're in, whether it be procrastination or they're not disciplined or they're always making excuse after excuse after excuse on why they haven't gotten started in their business, it's because they don't have the right mindset. They are in a situation where they are operating in that they feel this is the best they can do. They cannot do any better, or they're afraid. There's fear that's stopping them. So when I get this type of question or that kind of question, the number one thing I want to understand is what and how are you thinking? The majority of the individuals that are constantly in a circle, they move along, but then they'll get started and they stop. They slow down and they get started again and they stop, and they never reach the goal, whether it be a annual goal, a weekly goal, a monthly goal. The reason is because their mindset is set on whatever pattern they have rehearsed that they are still rehearsing. So in other words, you have a certain way that you think that you may not even realize how you think. And until you get that right, no matter what you think you want to do, you're going to be stuck in the same place you are this time next year. You will still be saying, I want to do my business. I want to start my cleaning business, but you'll still be right in the training portion, learning, but never implementing. You have to actually do it in order to see what you're made of. You have to implement what you learn. It's really, really great to learn, but you must implement as well. So if you're interested in what you need to do to get your mind right, I'm doing a special training, a workshop on mastering the mind and able to get past your own biggest sabotage. Most time we're self-sabotaging where we are. So if you're interested in what it takes to really, really get to the understanding of what it takes to have a six-figure cleaning business, you have to have your mind right. So there's two things that are required. The toolbox is your mind. That's how we think. The tools are what the techniques are to actually scale the business to six figures. That's when we talk about the systems and the people and hiring and our HR department and our sales and marketing and our funnels, all of that, making our first appointments, doing the walkthrough. All of that is great. But before you can get to that step, you have to have your mind right. You have to think the right way. So if you're interested in the workshop, please make sure you click below. And I'm so excited to host this website or this webinar or this workshop when it comes to getting you to the level that you need to be. So if you're interested in the workshop, actually the six-figure cleaning business mindset, that's before you get to the formula of what it takes. The tools are what it takes to actually scale the business. But to really get started, you need the toolbox, which is your mind. So if you're interested in making that change, not having any more excuses, going all in, then make sure you sign up for the workshop. And I'll see you then. Take care.